Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in devcheck. Now you need to get this free app from Flare Tool developer, devcheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!